What's wrong?
The bird is in Tyler's shirt.
Tyler, put the bird away, please.
I can't get it out.
Get the bird out.
Please don't take the shirt out.
Come on. No. No, you're not going back.
Why'd you let him get it?
Just go in the closet and like, yeah.
I was gonna say.
His clothes are going through his shirt.
No.
I'm not going to lunch.
Just
I'm
to
only
pull
doing
him
that
out.
day.
He's coming.
Okay.
Oh,
We're sorry, Mrs. Hardy.
I wanted to say hi to Javon.
No.
And Natalie.
Are they going back up?
What is it? It's like, I don't know if it's security or what, but it's like in where like the lights are and everything, it's like in the middle of the ocean. It's just this like black circle up there. And Natalie's like, oh my gosh, it's a bomb. And I was like, no, it isn't. It's a security camera or something.
Whoa, Tyler, did you just grow?
So we call it the bomb. Every time we got nails, they were like,
Good help.
grab it and everything.
Mrs. Hardy, yesterday Grace sneezed like.
He's gonna die, like suffocate from your BO.
And the mom got mad. She was like, if there's something wrong, Grace, do I need to take you out of the classroom? She's like, I don't know why.
Yeah.
And then she got mad.
Come on, Tyler, come out, hurry up.
Come on,
just grab him out. Yeah, just grab him.
Swim. She's like, do I need to take
You
Main fly.
You got 12 seconds, because then we can put this on video.
And she's like, what's
Yeah, 12.
I was like, she
8, 7,
2. Well, dang it.
5,
Too long.
4, 3,
and
2.
now there's like,
What are you doing?